Hi Gomolemo, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, Zetu. I'm so excited to be on the plug.
And we're excited to have you because you're going to be sharing a bit about yourself as well as your business. So let's start there. Can you please introduce yourself to everyone?
All right, my name is Gomolemo. I live in Randfontein in the West Rand. I'm a baker. My passion started from a little cupcake book that my mother's colleague had borrowed her and ignited into me being where I am today. I studied at the SA School of Weddings, a course called Wedding Cakes. And I run a business called Modo. From my name Mo, what I do, dough, which is bake, and what I'd love to have a lot of money.
Oh yes, don't we all? So can you give us a background on how you sort of became an entrepreneur? Was it something that you aspired to be? You were like, let me just take my passion and make this a business. How did it start?
Yeah, I actually turned my passion into business because I just started baking. From the book I referred to, it was a cupcake book. So I wanted to build cakes and make them look nice, and that's where my decision for going to the SA School of Weddings came in. And my passion was more focused on wedding cakes. So I wanted to know how to do that, and I went to school for that, started baking for a few friends and the people around me, and that's how it started.
Okay, so let's talk about the challenges that you probably would have come across, having to cater to family and friends. How did you sort of handle that type of challenge and overcome it?
I had to grow a lot because me starting business, it was a bit difficult for me. I didn't know how to charge a cake, or which cake goes how and where. So what I did was I learned about pricing. I learned about my craft, so that became more easier into integrating it into a business.
So talking about growing your business, right? Started small and catering to family and friends. How do you think digital marketing has sort of helped grow or even establish your business?
It has helped me a great deal because I can reach more people than before, people that don't know me, people that see my pictures on my social media pages. And the thing about me is that I'm not a social media fanatic, so I had to grow into that and adapt and take advantage of that, and that has worked very well for me.
Okay, and finally, if you could share one tip or advice to aspiring entrepreneurs, what would it be?
I'd say focus on your passion, because your passion is your driver, and the love for what you do is what will drive you into turning your idea into something more profitable, and gain more knowledge. Be an expert in what you do, and definitely your business will start growing as your passion grows as well. Because if your passion goes down, your business will not survive. Yeah.
Wise words. Thank you so much, Gomolemo.
Thank you, Zetu.